Welcome back. Today's challenge is guess the word using 2 emojis. You have 5 seconds for each puzzle. Count your score and tell us how many you got correct. Let's start. Puzzle 1. Can you guess this one? Good job, it's rainbow. Puzzle 2. Any idea? Correct, it's hot dog. Puzzle 3. Do you know this word? Nice, it's sunflower. Puzzle 4. Let's see if you can solve this. Correct, it's pina colada. Puzzle 5. Try this one. Yes, it's cowboy. Puzzle 6. Can you crack this one? Good job, it's milkshake. Puzzle 7. Do you know the answer? Correct, it's toothbrush. Puzzle 8. This one is cute. Nice, it's lovebird. Puzzle 9. Can you guess it? Correct, it's snowman. Puzzle 10. Don't give up now. Good job, it's butterfly. Puzzle 11. Can you solve this? Yes, it's hot chocolate. Puzzle 12. Think you know this one. Correct, it's Burger King. Puzzle 13. Let's continue. Good job, it's fire truck. Puzzle 14. This one might be a bit funny. Correct, it's onion rings. Puzzle 15. Do you know this one? Nice, it's doorbell. Puzzle 16. Let's see if you can crack this. Correct, it's lipstick. Puzzle 17. Can you get this right? Good job, it's starfish. Puzzle 18. Try this one. Yes, it's watermelon. Puzzle 19. Do you know the answer? Correct, it's earphone. Puzzle 20. This one is sweet. Nice, it's cupcake. Puzzle 21. Can you guess this one? Good job, it's Lion King. Puzzle 22. Correct, it's Pizza Hut. Puzzle 23. Any idea? Nice, it's Flashlight. Puzzle 24. Can you solve this? Correct, it's Ant-Man. Puzzle 25. You're doing great, good job, it's Taco Bell. Puzzle 26. Here's the next one. Correct, it's Toolbox. Puzzle 27. Can you guess this word? Nice, it's sweet potato. Puzzle 28. Let's see if you can solve this. Good job, it's breakfast. Puzzle 29. Almost there, correct, it's doghouse. Puzzle 30. Can you guess it? Nice, it's Halloween. Puzzle 30. Try this one, correct, it's honey bread. Puzzle 32. Can you solve this? Nice, it's party time. Puzzle 33. Do you know the answer? Good job, it's strawberry shake. Puzzle 34. Let's see if you know this. Correct, it's power light. Puzzle 35. Can you crack it? Nice, it's moon rocket. Puzzle 36. Try this one, correct, it's catfish. Puzzle 37. Think fast, good job, it's iced coffee. Puzzle 38. Do you know this one? Correct, it's bedtime. Puzzle 39. Spicy one, nice, it's spicy taco. Puzzle 40. Final puzzle. Good job, it's target idea. Great work. How many words did you guess correctly? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and pick your next challenge.